this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a book that a lot of people are probably familiar with, and that's one of the Foxfire books. So basically what the Foxfire books are about is, in Appalachia there was a high school that had a class where the children went out and interviewed, the elders of the community, and came back and wrote books based upon the stories. And each year they put out one of these books. And they're, kind of hard to find now. Not really, but you're not generally going to find this in a Barnes and Noble or something. But they are really good books. And this one, Foxfire 9, talks about general stores, building a wagon, Indian pottery, ghost tales, quilts, home cures, log cabins. Lots of good pictures. Lots of good personal stories. So it's entertaining, but I buy them and I keep them because it gives me an insight in the way people did things around the turn of the century, from the late 1800s up to rural electricity coming in, right? And so if we ever had a catastrophic type disaster where we didn't have a lot of our modern conveniences, just-in-time shipping and stuff, I want to be able to go back and do things that are proven. And so books like this give me an insight into what works historically. Because if something worked, in the 1800s, then it's proven to work, there's really no reason that it wouldn't work in that same situation today. So I've got that in. And then if I was able to take, modern technology, things that we know now, put them together, we have the benefit of proven techniques, but that are more in line with our need for modern conveniences, right? Instead of building a wagon wheel, turning, trees into axles, we could do the same sort of concepts and go down and use a car axle, and it might work better, it might be easier, right? So I really recommend these books. It's pretty good to have on your shelf. I know that as a child I spent hours just thumbing through, the Foxfire books and just seeing, man, I wish I could build a rifle, or I wish I could build, a log cabin. Matter of fact, I almost cut this finger off one time trying to build a log cabin out in the woods. But I used to do a lot of this, like herbal remedies, I used to try to do that sometimes. Sometimes it worked, and sometimes I got in trouble for doing some of it. But I recommend this book. It's a great book, a great series to have, and eventually I'm going to come and talk about all of them. But here you go. Great book to get, and until next time, you can always get you online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.